Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I decided to pick up a case from Ringke from Amazon for the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. I know it's made out of sapphire and titanium, but I still want to protect my watch as much as possible. So I already have a screen protector on here. You're going to see that video soon. But I wanted to pick up a case for the watch too, so that way I want to protect it and keep it from getting scratched up. I went on Amazon, I picked up a couple cases. This is the Ringke Slim case. Live a better day, if y'all can read that. It actually comes in matte black and then clear. So let's try this out. And these cases are simple. These are no heavy duty. These are, you know, not to prevent like drops or anything, but it will protect the beauty of your phone. I mean your watch. You can see a little Ringke brand in there. Let's see if it's on the matte black one. Yeah, there's a little Ringke. I don't know if my camera will focus, but a little Ringke there. And this is plain and simple, man. This will keep it from getting scratched up. I'm gonna try the black one on first. And there you go. It triggered my Google button though. So you can see there, it has a little cutout for the speakers, and then the cutouts for the power button and the home button, and then the little microphone has a cutout there too. And the buttons are easy to get to, no problem there. You can still get access to the digital bezel, or whatever you want to call it, bezel. I'm getting used to it. I've seen some people don't use it, but I am getting used to it. So what y'all think about the matte black? I might rock that one, but let's find out. I'm gonna put the clear one on real quick, and it fits tight too. Like, you're not getting this case off easily either. So give me one moment, I'll be right back. All right, so here's the clear one. I might really rock the matte black one first. And they fit nice and snug too, because every time I try to put it on there, it triggers the Google button or the power button I have. So you can press that one good. No problems with the buttons. You can see more where this one protects, like all the way up to the watch band face there. I like this one too, but I think if you had the titanium one with the gray color, this one might be a better thing for you. It shows off the beauty. This black one makes it feel like I don't even have a case on there. So, and look, I mean, when I say it was hard to get off, it takes some, you really have to get underneath there to pull it off. So if you want a simple thin case for your watch, because this watch is very thick, y'all. If you want a simple, clean looking case, then you may want to pick up the Ringke Slim Fit. Look at that. So it has a little cutout for the microphone too. Same way with the black case too. And again, a little brand in there, Ringke. So if you want to pick up these cases, I will have the links in the description. Again, you can get it from Amazon. It is a two-piece case or a two-piece pack. You get the clear or you can get the matte black. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews, become part of the BAM Nation. So stay tuned to the channel. I will have more cases for your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Until next time, peace, y'all. I'm out. Go follow me on Twitter.